Today we're looking at what's called the Sardine. This is a small pouch. It is a collab between Greenroom136 and the Perfect Pack. So this is a very small pouch, just to show you a regular 3x5 index card, and that is the size of the pouch. However, it's very well thought out, has lots of features, and it's really useful. So I'm going to show you how I use it. This is my micro med kit, another small pouch from Pocket Up. I carry this pretty much all the time. So in it, I have a Neosporin, lip balm, some pills, painkillers, kill tips, and wipes, and duct tape, of course. And I guess I used up my last Band-Aid, which I should refill. So as you can see, naturally, flat items can go into here. So put this up in the back. Right, longer items up here. And then what I find is that I cannot fit both of these things in here. So kill tips is not that important, as bills are. And these are Muji containers, which I like. They actually sell a smaller version, but since I have this one, I'm going to put this in there. As you can see, close this thing up. And we're good to go. I can also do things like take the wipes and put it outside. There's a little elastic pocket, which is kind of neat. And that will give me a little bit more room. On the inside. One thing that I do want to carry, since there's technically more room in here, is actually my mini champ, I believe this is called, the small Victorinox multi-tool. And I find that I can just squeeze it in if I really want to. Right, but I don't like pouches that are tight. So what I really should do is to go find my smaller pill case and then put that in there. And that will give me a lot more room, as you can see. So now it closes way easier. Another thing is, depending on what you carry, I use a Joey pouch as a wallet. I really don't carry much stuff with me these days, right? Really just an ID, some cash, and credit card. So this stuff can easily fit in the back without adding much volume at all. So this can also be a wallet. The only thing is I use a tile to just in case I lose my wallet. And this now has no place in there. I could just leave it loose inside, but it might fall out. So I'm still trying to figure that out. But as you can see, it actually does work. So now this is micro med kit, wallet, everything. But it is a little bulgy, and that's not my favorite way to carry, but it does work. So there you have it, this Sardine little pouch. Very useful.